What's up, everybody? It is more Pentagon PC. You see so much beautiful. Oh, this vlog is basically not an exploration. It's like a close-up view of the world itself. So, yeah. As you walk here, you could see there is like trees. They're pretty tall.
Wow.
All of them are pretty tall. And you can hear that bud loud. You could hear that dog barking in the background.
Bruh.
Once you come here, I mean,
Wow.
You see so much beautiful nature.
Wow.
So much good things, not litter. Definitely not litter. So, yeah, no litter.
Wow.
Now, here is the most sketchy part of this place. It's kind of like a tree, but if you turn it this way, it still looks broken. So, and I don't know which tree this broke off of. It wasn't its own tree, because I mean, look, it doesn't have any roots.
Wow.
Probably came from this tree, but I really don't know, because none of these look like that tree. There is a daisy here. I am so tempted to take a picture of this, because I mean, like, who wouldn't take a picture of something this beautiful? The reason I haven't been posting is because I have been making music, which y'all have already heard of. If you go on my channel, you would hear that I've made a lot of music with Power Director. I don't know why I did that, but then I got this music maker app. It's called Edjing, EDJING. I don't know, and that actually helps you mix up music and make it into a new one with different beats. You know what? Let me show y'all one of the musics I've been preparing for this vlog. So yeah, that's one of the musics with the montage.
I feel it coming. I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, babe. I know what you feel like, feel it coming. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, babe. I know what you say right there.
Hey guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, of course, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and we're probably not going to do any of these videos.
Yes!